Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your keyboard is connected and Windows is active, no mouse required. Once the session is ready, press the Windows key and I at the same time. This single shortcut opens the Settings app directly. Make sure to press them together, not sequentially, so the system recognizes the hotkey. If Settings appears, you're ready to navigate. If not, keep the keys pressed briefly and try again to confirm the shortcut registers. Once Settings is open, use Tab to move focus through the main panes and Shift plus Tab to go back. This avoids reaching for a mouse. Arrow keys let you move inside lists and expand sections, and pressing Enter opens the focused option. Make sure to press Home or End to jump to top or bottom of lists when long. If you need a specific option fast, press Ctrl plus F or Tab until the search field is focused. Type a keyword, and press Enter to jump. To complete your task, navigate to the final setting with arrows and press Enter to apply changes, then close Settings with Alt plus F4. Once done, make sure your changes took effect by testing the related feature. If the Windows key plus I shortcut doesn't work, press Ctrl plus S to open Start, type Settings, and press Enter as a reliable fallback. If problems persist, check keyboard drivers, system updates, or physical Win key functionality before assuming software failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.